birthday ng Tito Jobert ko ngayon, so excited na ako makauwi.
Kamusta si Tito Jobert? Pilay pa rin ba yung kanang niyan?
Hindi, okay lang kasi si Tita Vanji at si Tita Melay, dadali naman siya sa, sa spa mamaya. So, sasamahan ko sila. Bale, inayos ko na yung tracks para sa'yo. So, ayusin mo na lang kasi yung niya, yung hindi ko gusto yung level. So, pa-check na lang.
Pantayin mo na lang.
Pantayin mo na lang.
Sige.
Alright.
Oh, dapat makita ni Pancho to ah. Ano to? Grabe to. Sobrang sikreto to ah. Wild. Gusto kaya si Punch?
Mr. Lazarus, of course I'll have your shipment ready. Just give me a few minutes, okay? Thank you. Okay, speak with you soon. Goodbye. Pancho. Come in. Pancho, I'm gonna have to ask you to do something. Alam mo naman, it's the 731st day na hindi pumapasok si Tomas. You're gonna have to fill in for him again.
Again? 2 years na ako nagsasub sa kanya eh.
Pancho, 2 years na siyang hindi pumupunta dito. Hindi na babalik yun.
Babalik pa yun. He's coming back.
Pancho, regardless, wala siya ngayon. Ikaw ang mag-fill in sa kanya.
No!
Hello.
Hello. Cupcake. Malilate na naman ako ngayon eh.
Pang ilang beses na yan eh. Pangatlong linggo na yan na late ka. Naintindihan ko naman. Kailangan mong palitan si Tomas.
Teka, makinig ka muna sa akin. Cupcake, makinig ka muna sa akin. Kailangan talaga eh. Sige, ako na lang mag-iinit ng estofado.
Sige na nga. Ingat pa uwi ah.
Sige. Ako na bahala. Sige, matulog ka na, Cupcake. Sige. Bye. Pancho. Puta na.
What if I told you that this went all the way up to the top? That you have stumbled on something huge? That your life might be in danger?
What do you mean? Ito ba yung natuklasan ni Tomas?
Exactly. Don't dig too deep. You might get burned.
Ano kaya yung ginawa ni Tomas na
I think we're gonna need to have a talk. I know the quality of work that you do. Pero itong mga past few na gawa mo, parang hindi masyadong maganda eh. Is there something bothering you?
Alam mo ba na may na-discover si Tomas na information?
Ang natuklasan ni Tomas, it's none of my business. You just go and do your job.
Hindi ko siya pwedeng makalimutan. He's my friend. He stumbled upon something big. And I'm so close to cracking it.
Punch, hindi na kasi babalik si Tomas eh. You're gonna have to let him go.
No! I have to do this! Hindi mo naiintindihan. Kailangan ko gawin to. You have to understand.
Pues, I'm gonna have to fire you.
Fine.
Nagawa mo na naman yan. Hindi na natapos yan. Ilang araw ka nang wala dito. Di mo ba pwede iwanan yan? Hindi ka na pwede muna tayo umalis eh.
Nagtrabaho ako dito. Hindi mo kasi naiintindihan eh. Importante to. Nieta.
Hindi naman natin kailangan gawin to. Tara, alis na tayo.
Hindi mo naiintindihan. Di naintindihan! You don't understand! Hello? Alan?
Pancho? Pancho, where are you? Where are you, Pancho?
Sa studio. Oh, kanina pa.
Pancho, you have to get out of there. Pancho! 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 No! No!
Someone's been snooping and it's your man. You better take care of this. You better chill the fuck out. I told you, I got this. You listen to me, you son of a bitch. I want him taken care of, and I want him taken care of now!
Ano ka na mo? Sino ka? Wala! Sagot! Hindi ko alam. Sino nagpadala sa'yo? Hindi ko alam! Ouch! What do you know? I do not know! Ay, caramba! Ay, caramba!
I trust things have been taken care of.
Yep.